Well, elsewhere tonight, faced with an unbending ultimatum from Governor David Paterson, lawmakers approved an emergency spending bill that furloughs 100,000 state workers 1 day a week. News 4's George Rickert reports the furloughs continue until a budget is passed.
Hours after state workers rallied in downtown Buffalo, lawmakers in Albany did exactly what the workers feared. The state assembly voted 83 to 56 to approve the governor's extender plan that will furlough thousands of non-essential state employees for 1 day next week. Assemblyman Dennis Gabrizak voted yes.
It's one of those votes that you really don't want to vote yes in, but the alternative is shutting down government, and that's just not going to happen.
In the state Senate, the measure passed 32 to 29.
I voted against the extender bill, as I have from the beginning, because I think this is just prolonging the inevitable of what we have to deal with, and that's getting a balanced budget.
We work 2 jobs just the way everybody else does.
Paul Doring has worked for the DOT for 5 years and showed us his paycheck, a salary of $31,000.
I mean, the public thinks that we're getting free health insurance. We don't. We're not making $38 an hour. We cannot afford to take a furlough. We cannot afford to lose a day of pay.
And some of those people that are going to be furloughed, that are going to be laid off, it's not their fault that that they're in a situation that we're in right now.
Julie DeWind wonders what it'll mean to the summer schedule at local state colleges.
To try to tell professors that they can't teach once a week when the classes, most of them are scheduled Monday through Friday, multiple hours a day already.
Governor David Paterson says he commends the legislature and now will spend the next week figuring out exactly how to implement these furloughs. However, the Public Employees Federation has already announced it will seek a temporary restraining order immediately. Live in the newsroom, George Rickert for the 10 o'clock news.